To know more, learn more. In this video, I will tell you about how to make faceless YouTube videos. Here are the main points: compilation videos, tutorials or demos, animations. Let's get started. Not everyone is comfortable with showing their face on YouTube. Well, don't worry. YouTube also allows you to upload faceless videos. And if you do it the right way, then your content is going to get an amazing level of response from your viewers. Number 1. Compilation videos. Who doesn't like binge watching a nice compilation video? There is an endless amount of content for any compilation channel to compile into a great video to entertain the world's YouTube viewers. Whether it's animals, people, sports, news, bloopers, and vines, for a simple video creation experience, add fun music, voiceovers, or just let the clip audio play. Oh, and you can also make a compilation of memes to entertain your viewers. Memes are viral on the internet, so creating a YouTube channel around them is straightforward. Gather your memes, put on some fun music, and get ready to go. You could also record a voiceover. Voice modulators are a great way to crank up the humor. After that, just respond to the memes you've selected. The best part is that coming up with the video ideas for this channel is a breeze because fresh memes pop up all the time. Just by reacting to 12 to 15 memes every video, you may generate fantastic videos and a successful channel. Number 2. Tutorials and demos. Are you familiar with common software applications like Excel, Photoshop, etc.? No matter how obscure or weird they appear to be, you may start a highly successful software tutorial YouTube channel that converts your expertise into subscribers and revenue. So many individuals require assistance with even simple software. Software lesson YouTube channels may appear dull in comparison to other high-energy YouTube channels, yet they may be pretty popular with the correct audience. You may have seen demo videos of cooking channels where an individual teaches you how to make something. Well, if this is something you have a knack for, then go ahead. The idea of a demonstration video isn't limited to cooking videos. This concept might be used for art demonstrations, crafts, product evaluations, woodworking, animal care, or any other activity where your face isn't required to be in the shot. Videos like these can be pretty interesting. It's more like finding your niche, and we all know how important that is for running a successful YouTube channel. You can add all sorts of commentary to what you are doing. A little bit of humor never hurt anybody. Number 3. Animations. If you have a distinct style and keep people amused, animation videos are also incredibly popular on YouTube. Obviously, this will require some artistic ability, but if you want to create popular videos without being on camera, this is one of the greatest solutions available. Parodies of famous cartoons, TV series, movies, and other media are one of the finest methods to launch a new animation channel. Creators that produce similar clips are known to use Adobe Animate, Manga Studio, and Adobe After Effects if you're interested in making animations. But there is also the alternative of using already present stock footage and mixing it up with your own creative touch. For example, you can add voiceovers, add effects, and that sort of stuff. Basically, things that you know will make people like your videos. Using popular characters for your animations is also a good idea. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.